go. This is, I believe, the 4th pack. See what we get. Another hero. Another land. Got another foil. Tonberry. Ooh, we got Tifa, y'all. I heard she's pretty cool. She's pretty good. Nice card. Buster Sword. I heard a lot about this card. Not bad on that pack. Last but not least, let's see what we get. Another hero. Land. Pretty nice foil. Cool. So, she was the same one that was foil, non-foil. Warrior Sword, that's pretty cool. Looks like a good card. Black Magic, Mages. Sorry about that. Sorcery. That's about it, y'all. Let me know what y'all think. Y'all want more? Let me know in the comments, subscribe, and see y'all for the next one.